Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Remy here. Today's recipe is very special. So Valentine's Day is around the corner and I've got the cutest, easiest and healthiest heart-shaped egg bites for you. So let's make them together. Here I got these heart-shaped mold. It's air fryer oven safe, so we can use it till 500 Fahrenheit. So it's safe to use in your air fryer. Here I'm taking a bunch of baby spinach. It's washed thoroughly. I'm going to chop this bell peppers. I've taken green pepper. You can take sweet peppers like red, yellow, orange color also. It adds a beautiful color to the egg bite. So I have this right now, so I'm using the green color. I've de-seeded the bell peppers, and this is jalapeno, de-seeded. These are washed and de-seeded. I'm going to put this in the food processor. Here I've taken thumb size little ginger, half white onion. This is Vidalia onion. Now we're going to process this. Next, here I've taken a bunch of green beans. I'm taking this little because it's going to be crunchy and we don't want to add too much of crunchiness in the egg bite. So we're going to add just little like this. So this is the green beans. Here I'm taking half of the carrot. I'm not going to take full because if we add too much, it will make the egg bites sweeter. So we don't want the egg bites to be too much sweet, just little red, so that you make this a healthy breakfast. We're adding little carrots here. So here you can see how nicely these veggies are chopped. Now we're going to take the eggs. We'll crack 4 eggs into a bowl. And we have the finely chopped spinach, green bell peppers, carrots, green beans, everything ready to be whisked together. So here you can see we are making healthy recipe that is going to be delicious too. I've added black pepper coarsely crushed, or you can add powdered 2 teaspoons of black pepper for little spice, then 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of oregano, chili flakes 2 teaspoons, and 1/4 cup of mozzarella. You can add sharp cheddar cheese also. That will also add very nice flavor, and salt per taste. That's it. That's the ingredient that we are going to use here. Now whisk everything together and pour it into a heart-shaped mold. As Valentine is around the corner, so I'm going to make this in this heart-shaped mold. Also, if you have any other shape of mold, you can take it like round, or you can also put in ramekin cups also. Give it a good mix. Now for the best part, pouring it into this adorable heart-shaped mold, because food tastes better when it looks cute, isn't it? So here you can see I'm filling it till the top. It will be cooked perfectly with the time and temperature I'm going to mention here today. Try the same in any molds that you're going to use. The time and temperature remains same. And look at this. It's already looking so pretty, isn't it? Now we're going to put this in the air fryer. I'm going to set this at 375 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. That's it. There's no flip or turnover required. Just put it like this and it will be cooked evenly. And this mold that I'm using, it is already a very good one. Like you can put it in the air fryer, put it in the oven. It can take heat up to 500 Fahrenheit. So it's safe to use it in the air fryer. It's a silicone shaped mold. And look at this, how perfect these look. It's soft, fluffy and packed with flavors. It's perfect for breakfast or a cute Valentine brunch. You can make this for your loved ones. And here you can see how gorgeous these looks. It's very easy to flip also. You can see how I'm taking it out. Share this recipe with your loved ones and don't forget to like and follow for more fun recipes. Please subscribe to my videos. You'll get to see more easy and interesting recipes coming soon. And look at this, how beautiful these looks. It has a perfect flavors of Italian seasonings like oregano. We have a little spice from black pepper and chili flakes. And look at this, it's done. Soft, fluffy, and full of flavors. Let me know in the comments below, what would you pair this with? What sauce or dipping sauce you would enjoy this egg bites with? Write in the comment so everybody can get to know about it. Look at this cute little heart-shaped egg bites. Enjoy it hot, like warm. And see, it's going to have little crunch because of the green beans, but it's tasty. My son is like asking me, what is that crunchy thing? I said it's green beans. He loved it. He finished that whole thing. And look at this. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye.